Number 1. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, powered by a 5.0-liter V8 engine. With 147,000 miles on the odometer, the truck features an automatic transmission, a sleek black exterior, and a tan interior. It runs on gasoline and has been kept in excellent condition throughout its life. The current owner acquired the truck from a close friend, who was the second owner. The vehicle has always been garage-kept and shows virtually no rust, a rare quality for a truck of its age. Undercarriage photos and videos are available upon request, showcasing its clean condition. Recently, the truck underwent extensive maintenance to ensure top performance and reliability. Updates include new tailgate latches and handle, replacement of front brakes and rotors, a new pitman arm, idler arm and bracket, and a right front ball joint, followed by a full alignment. Additional improvements include a new battery, brake light switch, alternator, headlight assemblies, driver's side door handle, and a fresh set of tires. The truck has also passed inspection and emissions testing. Number 2. 1989 Chevrolet S10, price $8,000. It has approximately 137,000 miles on it and is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a classic and engaging driving experience. It comes in a clean white exterior paired with a black interior, giving it a timeless and straightforward look. This 2-door, regular cab pickup features a long 8-foot bed perfect for hauling tools, gear, or materials, making it both practical and versatile for work or everyday use. While the truck does have some dents and dings that reflect its age, it remains structurally solid and mechanically sound. Powered by a dependable gasoline engine, the S10 delivers consistent performance and the rugged reliability Chevrolet is known for. With its simple design, manual transmission, and sturdy build, this 1989 S10 stands out as a functional classic for those who appreciate vintage trucks with enduring capability and charm. Number 3. 1996 Ford F250, price $8,995. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, featuring a 7.5L V8 engine paired with a 4x4 drivetrain for strong performance both on and off the road. This truck is finished in a bold red exterior with a gray interior, offering both style and durability. Inside, it includes power windows and locks, air conditioning, cruise control, tilt steering, and a power driver's seat, providing comfort and convenience for everyday driving. The vehicle remains mostly stock, equipped with dual fuel tanks and good tires, ensuring reliability on long trips. Despite its age, the truck runs and drives smoothly, with clean interiors and exteriors that reflect careful ownership. There is some minor rust behind the driver's tire and a small ding on the passenger bedside, but overall, it presents as a straight, solid pickup with low mileage. Number 4. 1995 Ford F350, price $8,500, powered by a 7.3L diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission and 2WD drivetrain. It has accumulated approximately 350,000 miles, reflecting years of reliable use. The truck features a red exterior with a gray interior, and it runs on diesel fuel. It carries a clean title and remains fully functional. All systems operate as they should. While it shows some paint blemishes and cosmetic wear typical of an older work truck, it continues to perform well and demonstrates the durability that Ford's heavy-duty line is known for. The current owner's father has recently purchased a newer truck, so they've decided to let this one go. Despite its age and mileage, this F350 stands as a strong, well-maintained example of Ford's reliable 1990s diesel engineering, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a rugged and proven work vehicle. Number 5. 1995 Ford F250, price $8,900, shows 201,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck features a tan exterior paired with a matching tan interior, creating a classic and well-kept appearance. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 460 big block gasoline engine, known for its durability and torque, making it an excellent choice for both everyday driving and heavy-duty use. The truck is completely rust-free, a rare find for its age, and includes several power features such as power windows, air conditioning, and cruise control, along with a working cassette player that adds a touch of vintage character. The cabin remains comfortable and practical, designed for long drives or work-related hauling. It also comes fitted with a ranch lift, which not only enhances its stance but also allows room for larger tires. Number 6. 1998 Chevrolet Silverado, price $6,500. It has approximately 150,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in a burgundy color, while the interior is a warm tan, giving it a classic and comfortable look. It runs and drives great, powered by a 350 V8 engine and uses gasoline as its fuel type. the truck comes equipped with new tires, brakes, and numerous replacement parts, ensuring strong performance and reliability. It also includes a bed liner and a cap, offering added functionality and protection for cargo. Despite the paint being in rough condition, the vehicle has received substantial maintenance and upgrades. Recent work includes new shocks and air shocks on the rear, along with a new battery, air filter, spark plugs, wires, distributor cap and rotor, oxygen sensors, ignition module, wheels and tires, lug nuts, brakes and calipers, brake lines, radiator, and hoses. Number 7. 1995 Ford F150, price $3,500. The truck has received numerous upgrades, including a custom light bar mount with a dedicated switch panel for the light bar and fog lights, new timing chain components, chain, sprockets, cover, water pump, and fan clutch, new ignition switch and door locks, and fresh spark plugs and wires. It also features aftermarket headers, a dual exhaust system, and all new universal joints with a new carrier bearing. Recently, the differential was replaced with a 3.55 LSD geared unit, fitted with a new cover and gasket. It has brand new rear shocks, LED lights throughout, window tints, trailer brake assist, and rear tires with plenty of tread life. The power steering has begun to whine, and the front end joints could use attention. Number 8. 1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,800, low mileage truck with 136,000 miles, an automatic transmission, white exterior, gray interior, and gasoline engine. It runs and drives well, though it needs some minor fixes. The brakes require bleeding and adjustment, the AC and heater aren't working, and it could use a new windshield. Recently, new injectors were installed, causing the engine to run slightly rough but easily tunable. The truck features like new tires, a fully functional 4x4 system, oversized front and rear bumpers, a Ramsey winch, CB radio, and a trailer brake setup. With many new parts, service records, and receipts, this Chevrolet 2500 remains a reliable and capable work truck ready for use on or off the road. Number 9. 1992 Ford Ranger, price $4,200. This truck has approximately 160,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with a manual transmission. It features a white exterior paired with a red interior, and runs on gasoline. The engine runs perfectly well, demonstrating strong and consistent performance despite several minor mechanical issues underneath. The transmission currently has a leak, likely due to a faulty seal, while there's also a small oil leak, with additional details available upon request. The power steering system shows signs of a leak that has yet to be located, and the transfer case has a minor leak as well. Additionally, the check engine light occasionally turns on and off at random, a condition noted by the previous owner. Number 10. 1996 Nissan D21, price $2,000. It has approximately 110,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior paired with a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. Powered by a 2.4-liter engine and rear-wheel drive, this truck is known for its reliability. It always starts easily and drives smoothly. Recently, the starter assembly and front left brake caliper were replaced, ensuring better performance and dependability. The truck bed shows some wear, as it has been used for dump runs and hauling equipment, but it remains functional. While the airbag light is currently on and there are some signs of rust, the vehicle continues to perform well overall.